ride the shark crew out to your land.
For sure, it's been a long time coming, so I'm excited to have him. Me and Bilko are gonna be riding today. He's just a good dude, and I support him, and just letting him ride, whatever. So
he's a crazy Aussie, right?
Yeah, all Australians are pretty nutty, so you can tell on how he walks that he's been pretty nuts the whole time he's been riding. So you guys can all tell that he's crazy.
These days, you know, I don't really feel it, you know, still got a spring in me step, still get erections on demand.
Who are you banging these days, Bilko?
It is Mrs. Palmer and her 5 daughters.
Who taught you English, dude?
English is f***ing done in Twitch.
Yeah, well, you always f***ing cussing, dude.
Yeah, I know.
What? When you first started talking English, did you think like was okay? Was that an okay word?
Kind of bad, but I don't know that much bad, you know, so I can use it. I watching freestyle movie, everybody says so that's why.ダーツシャグって名前超ダサいI reckon the plunger sales in this country are 10 times the amount in Australia because ours are actually designed to take a turd. Every one of yours, you've got one of them plunger things beside it because every time you take a decent shit, it blocks. So that's really inconvenient. You have a plunger next to your toilet? No, one of my friends in Australia, any house of anybody I know even owns a plunger. And we never have to go, oh, the toilet's blocked, let's go get a plunger. They just swallow everything you throw at them.